Welcome to Nifty Pulse India. In this video, we are going to show about the Nifty prediction for tomorrow, that is 1st August 2025. In this, for Nifty 50, I have marked the important resistance and support levels and the round value, which is 24,800. The round level plays an important role in market, and this video is purely for educational purpose. I am not a SEBI-registered, so trade on your own. So the important support and resistance levels are marked. The S1, that is the support 1, is at 24,677. The support 2 is at 24,641. Support 3 is at 24,536. And the resistance R1 is at 24,926. R2 is 25,095. And R3 is at 25,171. This is for Nifty. For Bank Nifty, we have marked the important support and resistance levels. The round level is also marked. The round level is at 56,000, and the S1 is at 55,610. S2 is at 55,445. S3 is at 55,140. Then R1 is at 56,304. R2 is at 56,554. R3 is at 57,117. So these are the important levels. For Sensex also, we have marked the important support and resistance levels. The round level is marked as 81,000. S1 is at 80,867. S2 is at 80,738. S3 is at 79,405. R1 is at 81,700. R2 is at 82,284. R3 is at 82,770. So these are the important support and resistance levels for tomorrow. You can pause and mark these levels for educational purpose only. This is the Bank Nifty. It is Sensex. Thank you. Kindly like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.